Stand by for action. Battle station. Anything can happen in the next half hour.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I've got a vintage power supply and don't know what brand it is, model, nothing. There are just no markings on the case whatsoever. As a friend of mine remarked when he saw it, he goes, looks like it's come out of an atomic laboratory or something from back in the 50s or 40s, whatever. Anyway, yeah, don't know anything about it other than some switching, which seemed to work, DC volts there, milliamps, and a hell of a lot of terminal posts. So we've got positive voltage on this side, plus 50, 20, 12, 6, 3, and the bottom ones are earth. And on this side, we've got negative voltage, negative 12, 9, 6, 3, 1V, I'll take that to be 1 volt, or 4 in Roman numerals. What's that say? AC, another 1 volt, and an earth. Now, I'm assuming this thing is factory made. If it's a kit, it's a damn good one. And here's the back, and I take them to be fuses. And I can see already in there, you know, you can see the electrode cans in there. And one of them reads 250 microfarads at I think 100 volts. But anyway, we will, let's just open it up, let's see what's in there and have a play. I've got 4 screws out and this thing should lift up and sorta, hold on, I have no idea. Anyway, let me play with this a little bit and work out how to get the case off. One more screw up there, and here it is. Right. Yeah, that binding post that broke off there. Great. Anyway, shouldn't be a problem. Let's have a look. Okay. 2 nice transformers. Yeah, this has got to be factory. And yeah, there they are. So 250 microfarad, 100 volts working, I guess, and 150 volt surcharge. Red is positive, can is not isolated. Okay. Let's see. That one's not. That is. Sorry. That's isolated. That's isolated, but and that one is isolated too. Okay, easy peasy, easy peasy. What's underneath? Oh, bugger all actually. My God. I'm looking for the rectifier. Alright, I'm going to have a look at this in detail and then I'll come back to you, tell you what I found, or if I found anything at all. Okay, I've had a nose around and found out that we've got our diodes here, so they'd be acting as rectifiers, I guess. And same on the other side, another 4 diodes. They appear to be diodes. And underneath this bracket there's a whole, I don't know, you can't see it, but a whole bunch of blue capacitors in there and some wire-wound ceramic resistors as well. So, tell you what, this has been off already because yeah, this power cord's been changed. But actually, it just occurred to me, while we're at it, let's grab this little gadget here, and I've just lost a cord, never mind, and we'll just check the, see if we can get an ESR reading of these cans. Yeah, with that can there, let's see what it says. ESR 0.1. Alright, and it says it's 309 microfarad. So I'll just do one more check. I'd expect the ESR to be fairly high on this. ESR 0.1, yeah, 0.14, and the cap is 311 UF. Alright, so they're probably all going to be the same, only another three. Won't bother checking them. I reckon, well, we just power it up to begin with, and I don't have any replacements at capacitor replacements at 250 microfarad, unfortunately. Oh well, I do, but they're only 16 volt, so they're not good enough. But yeah, we'll just power it up, see if there's any short circuits. Hey, the thing may work, and if it does, and the transformers are okay, I'll order some new electrodes from probably AliExpress, I guess. Okay, got it plugged in. Here's a big test. I thought we'd just monitor to see if there's any voltage coming out of it using the multimeter. Oop, come back. And yeah, just stick it in one plug in earth. Okay, we'll start off with 3 volts and see if we get anything. What have we got so far? Nothing. Ohms. Ouch. And alright, given this has got diodes, the rectifiers should get some voltage immediately, and I'm assuming down is on. Here we go. Yeah, we've got voltage. I'm giving it 60. I'll go up to current limit is good. A little globe's lighting up, that's good. We've got 3 volts. Alright, 3.4. What's that gauge say? It says 20 volts. What's this do? It's not changing anything on the multimeter. Alright, what's the next one? 6 volts. Oh well, 7. Doesn't seem to do anything. 12. Maybe get 13. 20 volts. Oh, 19.4, that's nice and close. And 50 volts, 46. Yeah, makes no difference to the output. It's just for amps. I really don't know. Yeah, but hey, I think it's worth saving as an old piece of vintage tech. So let's power it off. And what I'll do, I will order some capacitors. Those 250 ohms or 220s, I think would probably be fine. I think they're more common. Yeah, well that's broken. Not a problem though, easy to be replaced. And what we'll do next, I'll try and get that that assembly out with the transformers on it and have a look underneath. Okay, just about ready to get that out, and it does come out a little bit, but that's holding it in the fuse panel, and so that'll lift up. And I've also got to remove these wires here, so I've just, as you can see, I've just colour coded them, so you know, visual references work for me and I can't make a mistake. So I'll unsolder those and then we'll be able to lift that that unit off and hopefully have enough room to look underneath. Okay, that assembly is out, and as you can see there, and I'll just zoom in. As you can see, it's pretty chock-a-block full of well, the capacitors and a whole lot of wire wound resistors. And I did a check of a couple, and yeah, they're within spec, and they're only like 100 ohm, 150 ohm, etc, etc. So they're all good, and at this point I don't see any point in changing any of those. And those caps, well, I mean, you know, they'd have to be small value, I'd say. Maybe they're affecting the output voltage, so it's not exactly accurate, but then again, I never really would have expected it to be. Not something this old. So as I said, I'm going to stop the video at this point because there's really nothing I can do. And I'm just going to wait for these caps to come in from China. Unless I can source them here in Australia. Never know, you never know. Either way, we'll come back. I'll come back and in the second part, yeah, we'll just change those out, put it back together, and yeah, she's done. So, see you soon, guys. Thanks a lot. Catch you again.